What's the meaning of compliment slip? Compliment slip. Compliment slip.
Compliment slip. Compliment slip. A compliment slip is a small piece of paper or card typically used in business settings to convey a brief message of thanks or appreciation, often accompanied by a signature. It usually measures around 210 mm x 99 mm and can be printed with a company logo, name, and contact information. Compliment slips are mainly used for informal communication between businesses and their clients, and they serve as a way to reinforce positive impressions and build good relationships. They are a simple yet effective way to show gratitude and leave a lasting impression.